Hello everyone, looking for your next adventure in Thailand. Let me introduce you to Chayapum. First picture, Enlate, Field of Beautiful, Pink Siam, Tulip and ทุ่งดอกกระเจียว Them Discover ม้อยขาว Our very own Stonehenge of Thailand. Dim giant stone will leave you speechless. Next stage and the edge of the land and ผาสุดแผ่นดิน For a will take your breath away and when you ready to cool down jump into the refreshing water of น้ำตกตาดโตน Our local parasite Chayapum is all about adventure, beauty and incredible nature is an unforgettable experience waiting for you, so pack your bag and come explore you won't regret it. Thank you.